Hello and welcome to Thaik. How to extract file by week number. So let me show you an example to clearly understand. This is the file which extracts by the system just for an example on every day at the same time at the same location. So now what's our duty is to extract this file on a weekly basis. Here in this example you can see, let me zoom this. These files have been taken out on 6/9 3 files and 14/9 5 files are there. So if I want to extract the number of files and generate a report on a weekly basis, in that case I need to filter it by date, right? How can we do this in Power BI? We are going to see this in this video. So let me quickly add this file into Power BI. So get data and then text or CSV, as this is a text file. This is the location. Instead of this, it is good to add a folder. So get data from folder. From folder connect. I have copied the location of the folder. So pasting it here and click OK. Power BI is good enough that it understands the list of available file in the folder and inside to that folder if anything else. So right now I don't have anything inside to that folder and folder. It's just single folder and the flat files. I have these files. Now I'm just clicking on the transform data. So it will go to this Power Query editor in order to make the changes. Now these are the files. It is loaded here. If I zoom it here, one is the content, which you can see the inside of the each and every file. And the next is the name, extension, date, access, date modified, date created. Okay. So, and then what we have, it's attributes and the folder path. Now what we need is, instead of date access and date modified, we need date created, because if someone has opened the file and saved the whatever the content in it, then this date might change, but the date created may not change, right? If you look at this one in this example, and I'm have the 17/9 which is current date, and this for 14 date which is created, but the date modified is something different. This is just because of, for this demo purpose, I have copied the existing file from one location to another location. So this was the old file which was there in different location, and it was modified last on 6th of September, and I have copied this into this new location. So the date created is 17 now. So these two, 17 and 14, basically comes under the same week. So for this demo purpose, I am not going to use this column. Instead of that, I'm going to use this one. But in your scenarios, if you want to extract the informations, then it is good to use the date created instead of date modified. So what I'm going to do, right click this table and duplicate this one. Duplicate this column. It will create a duplicate column. And then right click this column. What you can do, change type, sorry, the transform, and then week and week of the year. This one you need to select week of the year. So by doing that, you get to know about which is the current week, is 37 or 38. Now if you want to filter the information by current week, so I think current week is 38 because 14 comes under this week, right? So 38. Now in order to filter this data, let me filter this week manually. For example, I will know current week is 38 even though I'm filtering it to 37. So click on OK. Now we can see only 3 records of last week. But if you need it for current week, what we can do is just go to home and then open the advanced editor. So this will give you the details of what are the steps we have. So here is the last step, filtered rows, which is the calculated table.select rows, calculated week of year equal to date modified dot this one equal to week 37. So this is static number. So instead of this one, what we can do now is we can use the date function, which is the date dot now datetime dot local now. So this is going to create a local date time, and then I'm going to convert this into date dot week of year, open bracket, and I need to pass a date time here. If you look at this one, I need to pass a date time. So I'm going to pass the date time as datetime dot local now. So it means it will take the local time of now and then convert the date into the week. So that's good enough. So if you look at the formula now at the end, no syntax error has been detected. So click on done. So now if you look at the data information which is here is week 38. So you remember we filtered manually week 37, but we changed the calculation to date.week of year and date time.local now. Then it understands that current date is week 38. So it gives us the data of week 38. So it means if you go to the next week, then automatically Power BI will fetch only those information which is falls under week 39. So then you can able to do all your process, whatever you want to do, it will do rest of the things. This is how you can able to extract the files by current week or whatever week you want to define. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.